Alright, YouTube, been having problems with my 94 cord. Just turned off on me while I was driving. Originally, I thought it was the distributor. So what I did was, first, I replaced the igniter. I put it back in. Let me get a better lighting. I replaced the igniter, put it back in, no start. Then I replaced the coil, put it back in, no start. So I'm gonna upload the video, you'll be seeing this right now, where I started the car without the distributor to see if the camshaft spins. Right there. I'm gonna try to spin it. I'm gonna turn the car over and I'm gonna see if it spins. As you can see from the video, I can tell the camshaft doesn't spin. So automatically, just by looking at the camshaft, I can tell here is spinning, there is spinning, there is spinning, there is spinning. But the two back here, I can tell that's where it broke off at. So it broke off somewhere right here. All right. We got all the bolts off. I am about to loosen this right here, and then she comes out. All right, we got that off. There you go. Camshaft snapped. Oh man. I was gonna order the camshaft, but then again, look. The broken camshaft grinded all the way through there. And I know I can't put the new camshaft on with it like that, so looks like I gotta order new heads anyway. Fuck.